Hey everybody, Tall Family Films here. Today we're replacing the door handle on this 2012 Toyota Sienna. It's a little plastic cap. It's right here on the side, and inside here is a T27 screw. You need to undo that one. It will not fall out. It's kind of wedged in there. It has a little holder that keeps it from falling down in the door. Then you need to pry the lock cylinder out. That's all that screw is holding in, is this lock cylinder. So I used a plastic screwdriver so that I wouldn't scratch anything. There's where that screw goes in that we loosened up, the T27 in the door. Which I think we'll get a view of. There it is. Sorry about the focus here. We should be able to fix that. There we go. Okay. So then you need to get the old handle out. Just simply pull it back and make sure there's no pieces left in the door. Pull all those out. There's a big chunk right there. Connects on right there. Okay, so there is a little catch in here. This is what actually opens the door. You need to make sure that this hook that's on the door goes into that catch so that when you pull the handle, it'll actually unlock the door. You'll know if you have it because the door pulling the handle will feel normal. If you miss it, then the door handle will just kind of flop around. So just make sure when you're inserting it that you get it behind the spring catch that's inside there. Not really an easy way for me to show that to you on camera. So, but like I said, you will know. So get the front in first, and then put the back in with the hook and the catch, and then pull it all forward, and it just snaps into place, just like that. Okay, so the handle's actually working right now. I could open and close the door, but I have no ability to lock it. So we need to put the lock cylinder back in. So put the cap on it, the black cap that comes with it, or silver, or whatever color yours is. And then retighten the T27 screw. Like so. I had a little bit of trouble getting this to tighten up, but eventually it did. Then put the cap back on and you're done. So no need to take off the door panel or anything like that. Really easy job, probably take you about 30 minutes. As always, please subscribe. If this video has helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and that helps the algorithm to help other people find this video a little bit easier when they're searching. So thanks a lot.